Hello and welcome. Today we're going to practice listening and speaking in British English. If you want to improve your fluency and speak with confidence, this lesson is perfect for you. You will hear natural British English conversations, learn useful phrases and practice speaking aloud. Listen carefully and try to repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Section 1. Everyday conversation. At a cafe, sound of a cafe in the background, soft chatter, coffee machine noise. Now, listen to this short conversation at a cafe. Try to understand the dialogue. First, listen carefully, then repeat after me. Conversation 1. Ordering coffee, barista. Hello, what can I get for you today? Customer. Hi, I'd like a cappuccino, please. Barista. Sure. Would you like it with regular milk or oat milk? Customer. Oat milk, please. Barista. No problem. Anything else? Customer. No, that's all. Thank you. Barista. That'll be £3.50. Now, repeat each sentence after me. Pause for repetition. Section 2. Fluency tip. Speak naturally. Now, let's talk about how to sound more natural in British English. Here are 3 simple tips to improve your fluency. 1. Use contractions. Instead of saying I would like, say I'd like. 2. Speak in chunks. Don't say words one by one. Say them naturally like, what can I get for you? 3. Listen and repeat. The more you listen to natural English, the better you'll sound. Section 3. A short story, The Lost Phone. Now, let's listen to a short story in British English. The Lost Phone. Slow and clear speech. Yesterday, Jake went to the park. It was a lovely day and he sat on a bench enjoying the sunshine. He took his phone out to check the time, but suddenly a dog ran past him. It knocked the phone out of his hand. The phone fell onto the grass. Jake looked everywhere, but he couldn't find it. Finally, a little girl picked up the phone and said, "Excuse me, is this yours?" Jake smiled and said, "Yes. Thank you so much. Now answer these questions." Pause after each question for listener response. Where did Jake go? What happened to his phone? Who found the phone? Section 4. Role play, practice speaking. Now let's practice speaking together. Imagine you are Jake. Repeat his lines after me. Excuse me, have you seen my phone? Pause for repetition. Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Pause for repetition. Great job. Section 5. British English phrases for daily life. Now, let's learn some useful British English phrases. Instead of saying, how are you, you can say, you all right? Common in the UK. How's it going? Instead of saying, I don't know, try, I haven't got a clue. I'm not sure, to be honest. Instead of saying, that's great, you can say, that's brilliant, that's fantastic.